see the dump truck? Are you making a move? Making the boat move.
Look, there's a Bible. There's a color. I got it. Look, okay, that green.
Oh, you want to go try the other one? Okay. Oh, this one lights up. Whoa, what's that? What's that noise?
Look, I have this house.
Yeah, that one doesn't have any buttons. What is it, babe? Alright, where are we going now? Yeah, that's Elsa and Olaf.
Sing along with your favorite songs from Television or connect your MP3.
What do you see under there, Alexis? You see the present? Yeah? Yeah. You have to wait until Christmas to open those, right? You gotta wait. Look, you got 21 more days. Working on Kylie's project for school that's due tomorrow.
Go fish. Dash. Go big, big, beep, beep, beep.
Who's that, Alexis?
Alexis.
Who's that?
Alexis. It's Kyla.
No, who's this right here? Who's that?
It's that.
Who's this right here? Who's this guy?
It's that.
Who is it?
It's this. It's Racket. Is it Racket? Who's it? It's that. Racket?
Racket? Racket Ralph?
Look, this one is him. Who's that?
Who's that one?
A baby.
It's a baby. That's baby Kylie.
Look, it's Dada.
Yeah, that's Dada.
That's me.
Yes.
That's when I was older.
Yes.
Really old.
You ready for your bath? Is it bath time? Are you ready for a bath? Dusty? Are you ready for a bath? It's dark.
Let's see.
Can't see anything.
Let's see.